You might have seen this recent viral video where an innocent driver gets hit by a group of people trying to commit insurance fraud and claim that they got rear-ended. It's a good reminder of the importance of having a dash cam, and I know some people are hesitant to get one because they're not sure how to install it. I wanted to show you guys my setup because I was also dreading the installation, and I definitely don't want any loose wires dangling under my rear-view mirror. The key to a clean dash cam setup is to get a model that has a flat design. I've installed the same dash cam on 3 different cars, and every time I was able to make it super clean and hidden, and did not need any tools besides my hands to install it. Mine is tucked behind the rear view mirror like this, and it's perfect, because when you're in the driver's seat, you can barely see it. And I'm telling you, the installation is so easy even my mom could do it. At first I purchased one of these, and even though it was technically a good camera, the shape of it just wouldn't allow me to make it look clean. It doesn't fit behind the mirror, and I definitely don't want it sitting below the mirror or put it far away off to the side. This type of shape will work better for most cars. You'll start by installing a plastic clip with an adhesive to your windshield, and your dash cam will have a clip-on mechanism that allows you to easily remove it and put it back on. Just make sure to align it properly when putting down the adhesive part, because these are one-time use only. Some people will tell you to hardwire the dash cam to your car's electrical system, and some will recommend to remove interior trim pieces to hide the cable properly. But on 3 different cars, I've been able to just tuck the cable in with a gentle push. The part here by the pillar is the most visible part of my cable, and even though it's not completely invisible, I'd rather do this non-invasive install than start disassembling my car for one cable. Behind the door, the same technique works beautifully, and please don't mind the blurry dark shot, because I captured this additional angle in my garage. First, I tucked it under this rubber seal here, and from there, ran it all the way down next to the glove box, and finally to the floor under the floor mat. It runs across the floor mat between the seat and the center console, and from there plugs into my USB power. Many dash cams will come with small clips meant for holding the cable in place, but with a little bit of creativity and finger strength, you can get a really clean install without using any tools or clips. The model I have cost around $89, which is a small price to pay for the peace of mind it gives you. Luckily, I haven't been in any accidents, but I've witnessed a couple of close calls.
I'm interested in sort of how you chose
The funny thing about dash cams is that once you get used to driving with it, you'll feel very weird and risky driving a car that doesn't have one. Because in the case of an accident, it's always your word against theirs unless someone has a video recording. That's all I got. Get a dash cam, make it clean, and then make sure your friends and family have one as well.